Hey guys, today I want to talk about the numbers in Python. So, first step is to create this notebook is to select the new and create this new notebook in Python 3. So, in the Python has three types the int, float, and the complex. The variables of the types are created when you assign a value of them. So if you create a variable with 1 and when run and when print this variable types, so print type and d6, the output will be this is an int. So if you write this to for example this number and then run and the output is the same, so this number types will be the int. So if you write to the negative and run, so the output is the same. So it is the int. How to create a float? So when x is equal, for example 2.8, so when run and when print this variable type, so this is a float. So if you change this number to, for example, 35.5, and when we run, so this is the same, so this is a number with a float, so the variable will be a float. So if you change this number to the negative and when we run, so the output is the same. So it is a float. So how to create a complex number? So for example x is equal 1g. So when we run this time, will be the complex. So you can change this, for example, to 5g, and this variable type is the same, so this is a complex number. So the complex numbers are written with the g as the imaginary part. So in a float, you can float can also be scientific numbers with an e to indicate to power of 10, for example. So when create this variable, for example 1e, so it is an invalid, yeah, 1 e, yeah, and when we print this number, so it will be 10. It is to power of 10. So if you change, for example, to 2, it is power to 100, and when print, it is 100, and when you change the 3, so the output will be 1000. If you change this one to 5, for example, it is 5000. Yeah. So how to create for example a random number, for example between 1 and 9. So first step is to import this random class, and for example to create a random number you can write random round range between 1 and 9, so this will be a 10, and when write to print, oh, it is random, so it is will be 6, for example, 8, or 1. So thank you for watching.